miracle that we wish. That is why your name is Jaden Amaris. Jaden Amaris. When she was born, she brought the colors to our lives. She's the clumsy little lady, but when she smiles, it makes her fly. She should shine. She is the beauty and the beast. You know her name? She is Daniel Amaris. Daniel Amaris. Then she was born, the fiercest one of the tree. Got all the toys and owns all that she sees. Don't you try to fight her, she will melt you with her kiss. Run when you see her. Her name is Athena Amaris. Athena Amaris. These pretty little ladies are the best gifts of my life. They got their looks from me, and the rest comes from my wife. Daddy will be here for you. Daddy will make your dreams come true. But if you grow up quickly, Daddy will make a new baby. Daddy will make a new baby with mommy. With mommy. With mommy. Daddy will make a new baby with mommy. Mommy, mommy, mommy.